Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will present about mitigation measures in environmental impact assessment (EIA) for mining activities. First of all, what is EIA? EIA is a process used to evaluate the potential environmental effects of proposed projects or activities before they are carried out. It ensures sustainable and responsible decision making. Now, why does mining need EIA? First, for environmental protection, to minimize damage to ecosystems and biodiversity. Second, regulatory compliance, to make sure it meets environmental laws and regulations. Third one, sustainable development, to balance resource use with long-term conservation. And the last one, manages risk, to avoid costly remediation and conflicts.
So, what are the key impacts of mining activities? First, habitat destruction and loss of biodiversity. Mining involves clearing large areas of land, leading to deforestation and loss of habitats for various plant and animal species. This disrupts local ecosystems and threaten endangered species. Fragmentation of habitats can reduce species' ability to migrate or find food, leading to population decline. Next, water pollution. Mining processes release heavy metals such as mercury, arsenic, and chemicals into water bodies through surface runoff and leaching. Acid mine drainage (AMD) occurs when sulfide minerals react with water and oxygen, creating acidic water that can harm aquatic ecosystems and contaminate drinking water sources. Next, air pollution and greenhouse gas emission. Dust and particulate matter released during excavation and transportation of minerals can degrade air quality, causing respiratory issues for nearby communities. Equipment used in mining emits carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. And lastly, soil erosion and degradation. Removal of vegetation and topsoil makes land prone to erosion, leading to sedimentation in rivers and lakes. Mining chemicals and heavy metals can contaminate the soil, reducing its fertility and limiting its potential for future land use.
Next, mitigation measure on land rehabilitation and reclamation techniques. Firstly is reforestation by planting native trees and vegetation on degraded land to restore ecosystem. Trees will help to rebuild wildlife habitats, prevent soil erosion, and improve carbon sequestration. For example, after mining operation, companies can introduce indigenous plant species to restore biodiversity. Next is mitigation measure on pollution control measure. For this, the companies need to install water treatment system because in water treatment system, filtration and sedimentation process can help to remove heavy metals and sediment from mining runoff using settling ponds, filter or constructed wetland. It also helps to neutralize acid mine drainage by treating acidic water generated from mining with neutralizing agents like limestone to reduce its environment impact. And finally, mitigation measure on sustainable mining practices. So the company have to make sure there are resource efficiency during the mining so that it can minimize resource wastage during mining operation by adopting technologies that optimize resource extraction. For example, the miner can use technique like precision mining, which focuses on extracting minerals with minimal environment disruption.
The importance of implementing mining mitigation measure. First, these measures are crucial for protecting the environment. Mining can harm ecosystem, but with proper care like land restoration and pollution control, we can prevent damage and help preserve nature. Second, these measures help with sustainable resource use. By using resource more efficiently and recycling mining byproduct, we can meet current needs without depleting resource for future generation. Third, public health improves when pollution is controlled. By reducing harmful emission and treating waste, we protect the health of nearby communities and wildlife. Lastly, economic benefits from sustainable mining practice. It reduces waste, cut costs, and can boost a company reputation, leading to long-term stability and job creation. In conclusion, mining is essential for the economy, but its environmental impact must be managed responsibly. Measures like land restoration, pollution control, and sustainable practice can reduce harm and protect the environment. By adopting these strategies, we can meet today's need while safeguarding the planet for future generations.